Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Traverse. Now, this specific Traverse is an RS package, which gives the Traverse a more sporty look. Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers $3,492 in savings towards this specific vehicle. It is a front-wheel drive 2LT model with a 2.0 liter turbocharged 3.6 liter V6 engine. Now it does come with our black Chevy decals, back tinted windows, and 20-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside, we can see that we do have a 10-speaker Bose audio system with a subwoofer in the center console, jet black leather seats with a tan lining, your standard Chevy Traverse, heated seating, cruise control, and a fairly large back seat. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.